the channel. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell as well. I do drop new content on this channel every single day. So with that being said, let's get right into the video. Wednesday, March 31st, end of the month, you guys. Market kind of starting to pick back up a little bit, and I wanted to talk today about a stock I think has massive potential, and I definitely think this stock is under the radar. This is Single Point Inc., ticker symbol SING, otherwise known as SING, currently sitting at 0.0225, around 2 cents. At the time of this video, up 4%, and specifically today, the volume up a little bit compared to the average volume, 1.4 million average, and today around 30 million trades of Single Point. So I wanted to talk about this stock and why I think it's in a specific niche too that I think has massive potential, and just why overall I think this stock is supremely underrated. So with that being said, let's get right into it. So Single Point Inc., ticker symbol SING, is a company focused on providing renewable energy solutions to consumers and small commercial businesses. Single Point is committed to building the largest network of renewable energy solutions and modernizing the traditional model. So it should be noted here that they do have this press release stating that shares of Single Point's common stock will be trading on a split adjusted basis under the ticker symbol SINGD on the OTC until April 22nd, 2021, after which the ticker symbol will revert back to SING. So that's just a little bit of information there regarding this stock. But so basically, they're based in Phoenix, Arizona, and like I said, they're focused on providing renewable energy solutions and energy efficient applications for overall better health and living. And their focus initially was on solar energy and energy storage, but now they're somewhat branching out, and they're building a foundation for future expansion opportunities that has to do with like remote power, charge points for electric vehicles, and additional services related to renewable energy. And I think lately, if you take a look at some of the news and the press releases, based on some of these things, the company is really trying to grow their national, impact through acquisitions and partnerships with companies that are also focused on renewable energy solutions, and in order to meet this growing demand for renewable energy. And there's been, like a lot of power outages, especially during the winter storm in Texas. It shows that there is definitely a need for alternative energy solutions. So let's talk about a few of their recent acquisitions. Let's go back here to February 23rd. You can see here that they completed the purchase of Energy Wise, a solar lead generation engine. So recent nationwide power outages and ongoing rolling blackouts highlight critical need for energy storage solutions. Single Point scalable business model, installer network, and direct-to-consumer footprint well positions the company to leverage its solar-focused offering to provide renewable energy efficiencies, energy backup, and energy dependence. And they actually say here that Single Point has streamlined its efforts over the course of the last year to focus on building the largest network of renewable energy solutions and modernizing the traditional solar and energy storage model. So this is very important, you guys, especially with the announcement and proposal of the $174 billion for EV and new funds for renewable power by Joe Biden. So this was recently announced. A lot of people are talking about this. President Joe Biden's vast infrastructure plan includes $174 billion to boost the markets for electric vehicles and billions more for renewable power, both provisions aimed at weaning off the U.S. off fossil fuels and combating climate change. So this has been kind of what people have been talking about for a while, that the Biden administration is definitely going to push the clean energy bill forward and definitely going to push clean energy. So I think a company like SING, Single Point, definitely just extremely undervalued right now given the niche that they're in, okay? So essentially, I think that the market, the growing market, right, that Single Point is in, is expected to be around $225 billion by 2026, which is absolutely incredible, very lucrative, obviously. So it's definitely a potential growing market there. If we take a look at some of the financials for Single Point, we can see that in the first 9 months of 2020, they had a revenue of 2.25 million or 2.5 million, and then the first 9 months of 2020 as well reduced operational expenses by 2.8 million. In the first 9 months of 2020 as well, they had a gross profit increase of 15%. So obviously, the company doing somewhat well financially. And then on January 28th, we go to this press release. January 28th, you can see that the company announced that they settled the remaining balance of the convertible secured note agreements with ILAD Trading Company and UAHC Ventures, which eliminates all external debts, right? So the elimination of the remaining balance removes future conversions under the note and removes the debt from the company's balance sheet. So this was back on January 28th. They removed their debts. So I definitely think this is an OTC stock again, you guys. OTC stock, so you can't get this on Robinhood or Webull. You need to get Fidelity, E-Trade, Charles Schwab to purchase this stock or trade this stock. But you guys, I think a lot of big things coming for Singlepoint. If you take a look at some of their products, right? Solar power systems, Direct Solar America, location review, design, permitting, installation, inspection, grid connection, start saving. A lot of people, you guys, are moving in this direction. Renewable energy is the future. And I think this is a company that at the current price, definitely extremely undervalued. Starting to spike up a little bit today, 4%. But at 2 cents, you guys, Singlepoint, I really do like the things that they have going on. If you can see here, Singlepoint acquired Direct Solar America to provide the most cost-effective solar system for any needs. Save money, save energy, and receive predictable energy costs through solar. Energy costs can skyrocket as much as 300% during peak months and hours. So a lot of things going on here with Singlepoint, and I definitely think massive potential. Again, the niche that they're in, renewable clean energy, expected to be 225 billion by 2026, and I really just think this stock has the potential to absolutely explode. Again, that is just my opinion. I'm not a financial advisor. Please do your own research and invest your money at your own risk. But here we are, guys, at 2 cents right now for SING. Absolutely think it's a value buy. So with that being said, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, drop a like on this video as well, and let me know in the comments below if you guys got any SING earlier or if you made any money off this stock. Hit that subscribe button again, and as always, you guys have a great day.